2 valves with 2 tanks continuous water supplying system. The continuous water supplying softener valve with 1 valve with 2 tanks, due to the need to control 2 tanks, has a relatively complex structure and is generally used for production capacities of 10 cubic meter per hour or less. For continuous water supplying systems with capacities above 10 cubic meter per hour, 2 valves with 2 tanks continuous water supplying system can be used. This can be achieved by employing 2-meter type softener valves plus 1 L-type 3-way ball valve. The working process is as follows. When the flow of the number 1 softener valve decreases to 0, a signal is sent to change the direction of the 3-way ball valve. The regenerated number 2 softener valve has started to supply water. Regeneration has started for the number 1 softener valve. Once the regeneration is complete, it stands by, and the 2 valves alternate in a cyclic manner. 2 flow meter type softener valves can also be used, with a normally closed solenoid valve installed at each outlet. By pairing with the Ruanxin F91 in service 1 standby controller and setting the control valve signal output parameter to B01, continuous water supplying from 2 to 50 cubic meter per hour can be achieved. Alternatively, a Ruanxin electric straight-through ball valve with a diameter ranging from DN15 to DN80 can be installed at each outlet, paired with the Ruanxin F91B1 in service 1 standby controller, to achieve continuous water supplying from 2 to 50 cubic meter per hour. It is important to note that the F91 and F91B controllers should not be directly connected to high-voltage electricity of 380 volts or devices with a current exceeding 5 ampere. By connecting 2 F92A3 or F130A3 valves with a DN25 3-way ball valve and interlocking the 2 valves with a mutual interlock connection wire, continuous water supply of 5 to 6 cubic meter per hour can be achieved. By pairing 2 2-inch inlet and outlet flow meter type control valves, such as N74A3, N77A3, F95A3, F99A3, F111A3, etc., with an F80 electric 3-way valve, continuous water supplying of 10 to 20 cubic meter per hour can be realized. By connecting 2 F112A5 or F96A5 valves with an interlock wire and setting the control valve program to C021 in service 1 standby mode and A02 meter immediate mode, continuous water supplying of 40 to 50 cubic meter per hour can be achieved. Compared with other structured control valves, there is no need to match large caliber 3-way valves, which significantly reduces the cost.